Good morning. Today we are going to see how the capacitors are connected. Already we have seen what's meant by a capacitor, and we have seen parallel plate capacitor and a spherical capacitor, and we have seen the formula for the capacitor also. Now when there are many capacitors and we want some particular value of a capacitor, then what we have to do? We have to connect in different way. For example, there are three threads are there. Three threads are there like this. Okay. If you want lengthy thread, then you have to connect one by one like this. Okay. If you want a thick thread, okay, then you have to attach these three thread like this. Okay. Three threads are there of different length or same length and different thickness like this. Okay. If you want length only, you have to connect like this. You attach like this, join the threads. If you want thickness, you have to join the threads like this. Okay. Just like if you have different capacitors and you want particular value, and for that how to connect. Okay. Either in this way or in this way, how to connect, or you can connect mixer also. Okay. That is we are going to see today. There are two types of combination. One is series connection, another is parallel connection. First let us see parallel connection. After that let us go for a series connection. In parallel connection, I have connected three capacitors in our houses. Okay. All the appliances are in parallel connection. Okay. That means in parallel connection, voltage is same. That is you have to understand. If you understand this only one thing, you can derive the formula and you can remember the result. Okay. Only one thing you have to understand. In parallel connection, voltage is same. Okay. Voltage is same means what is the another quantity? In formula what we have seen, Q is equal to CV. Q is equal to CV. Okay. This is charge, this is capacitance, and this is voltage. Okay. In this, only three variables are there. And C is the capacity of the capacitor component. Okay. And V is the potential difference. Q is the charge. Okay. Now we are going to find out the net effect or total value of the capacitance. Okay. Here three capacitors are there. They are having three different value, C1, C2 and C3. Okay. All these three are connected in parallel. That means from one point to another we can reach in a different way. Okay. In series combination, we can reach from one point to another point along one way only. Okay. It is just like your serial lamp. In your serial lamp, you have seen like this. You have to go through one wire only. Okay. Here you can go in this way, you can go in this way, you can go in this way also. Okay. This is the parallel connection. Now the independent value are C1, C2, C3. Now what is the net value of the three capacitors? That is we are going to see. For that what you have to do is, I will erase this. For that, first you understand what is the combination. It is a parallel combination. In parallel combination, which is same I told, in parallel, you have to remember this. In parallel, voltage is same. In parallel, voltage is same for all the capacitors. Okay. Whether C1, C2, C3 of different whatever value, voltage is same. Voltage is same means other quantity is dividing. Here charge is dividing. Therefore, here the battery is there or power supply is there. You are giving the connect. You are giving voltage to this. Okay, and this charge Q enters and it is dividing into Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, and here these are all positive. These are all negative. Now your first equation should be which is dividing. Charge is dividing. Therefore, you write charge Q equal to Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. That means the total of all these charges equal to the charge supplied. Okay. Now what is the formula? Formula is Q equal to CV. Okay. Now you simply apply this formula. Q is for total charge, C is for the total capacitance, V is the voltage. Okay. Now for this capacitor C1, your value is Q1 C1. Okay. That means say Q1 C1 and V. Okay. But V is the same. Therefore, for your Q1, you have to give C1 V. V1 we cannot give because V is same for all the capacitors. Therefore, C1V plus C2V plus C3V. And for this Q, that is the net effect, total capacitance. Therefore, this is CV. Now you can take common. Therefore, if you take common, C1 plus C2 plus C3, okay, which is equal to CV. Now you cancel the voltage, then C will be C1 plus C2 plus C3. That means just we go to take a sum of all the capacitors value. Okay. That means if it is 3 farad and this is 2 farad, this is 5 farad, means you have to sum all the values. This is the parallel combination. Here you have to note what is same and which is dividing. Okay. Which is same, which is dividing. You have to take the first equation which is dividing. Okay. Here parallel voltage is same. Therefore you are taking the first equation as a charge is dividing. Okay. Now let us see series combination. Okay. In series combination, okay, this is one capacitor, this is another capacitor, this is another capacitor. Okay. Let it be C1, C2 and C3. Okay. And here you can take the voltage here. This is positive, this is negative. I told you in parallel voltage is same. That means here voltage is not same. That means charge will be same. That means charge will be same. That means here the charge Q is entering and which is same for all the capacitors. Then your first equation should be which is dividing. Okay. Therefore, V is dividing. Therefore, V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V equal to this one, V1 plus V2 plus V3, because voltage is dividing and total voltage should be equal to the this given supply. Therefore, here Q is same, V is dividing. What is our formula? Q is equal to CV. Therefore, V is equal to Q by C. V equal to Q by C. Therefore, Q is same. Therefore, V1 equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. And here for V, Q by C. That means net value, net capacitance value. Therefore, all the QR get cancelled. Therefore, 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Okay. Now, this is the net effective value, total value of the capacitance. Okay. That means it is sum of the reciprocal value of the individual capacitors. Okay. This is the two combination. We can go for a both series separately, parallel separately, and we can combine also series parallel also. Okay. This is important topic and a problem will be asked in this topic. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe and put a comment.